Donald, you want me to show you a candy dispenser? All right, let's do this. What's really going on, Pez collecting fans? Josh, the Pez guy here on the Pez Book channel. I know that some people are getting really excited about this one. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, Kinder Eggs. Yes, I consider these to be a candy dispenser because this plastic ball right here dispenses candy and chocolates and tasty things and toys. Yeah. Family pack. It's got 6 of them in there. Now the whole family can join in the Kinder Joy. And then a little 3-pack. And then I have this one here. So let's go ahead and open it up and dispense some candy. Ugh. Oh no! Pig down! Pig down! He's okay. Back to the video. Alright, let's see if I can do it this time. Alright. Okay, here is a silhouette of the person who invented the Kinder Egg. Oh, wait a minute. No, that's just the scoop for the... Okay, oh, this is gold. I wonder what's behind the gold. Is that the candy? Or is this the candy? I'm going to say that this is not the candy. This... Oh, it's my Kinder toy! Alright, here's instructions on how to put together. Oh, it's a little bird. I wonder if he flies. Let's see. Let's see, we're going to take this piece here. And let's see, the instructions say to do it like so. Then we are going to put these in here like so. Now we have to line them up perfectly. All right. Look at the detail on his face. So here is my Kinder toy. What's it say on the back? Oh, that's a number, so I guess each Kinder toy is individually numbered. And here is the insert. Find the chick hidden inside the egg. I did. Now, the candy part. All right. So you're supposed to take your silhouette of the guy that invented the Kinder Egg, and then you slide it underneath of there, and it will loosen up what we have that is a tasty treat. Okay, I almost got it all. Oh yeah, there's chocolate underneath of there, and then there's white chocolate, some kind of cream, and then these crispy wafers. Okay, here we go. Okay. Oh, those are so good. That's too much to eat at once, though. That's way too much to eat at once. Oh, where is the joy in this? Okay, moderation. Moderation. All right. Whew. That is rich. Wow. And now we have our little chick from our Kinder Egg. Woo. And I need some coffee to wash that down. So until next time.